Welcome! In this video, we'll be going over linking Google Analytics up with a site in our campaign, what this will do for us, and how to do it. First, what will linking Google Analytics do for us? Well, it'll do a few things. Link Emperor will allow you to check and see if there are any keyword phrases that have resulted in 3 or more visits within the last 30 days to any of your targets, and we'll add those keywords if you'd like us to. This will help you add keywords to your targets that are resulting in visits without you having to enter them manually. It'll also update the search volume based on the visits you are actually receiving. We base this on an internal algorithm based on the position, percentages of clicks per position, and how many visits you're actually receiving. All this will produce a more precise number of monthly searches. You'll end up getting another column within your Keywords tab that has a trailing 30 days of data that will show you the amount of visits within the last month that you've received. So let's go ahead and link our Google Analytics account to our Link Emperor account. To do this, we're going to go up here to the Accounts tab and click on the External Linked Accounts tab here. You'll find a few buttons down here. The one we're going to work with today is Link New Google Analytics Account. I'm going to click this and enter the email address associated with your Google Analytics account. After we've entered that, we're going to go ahead and click the Take Me to Google to authorize this account. But before you do that, you're going to want to make sure that you actually have Google Analytics opened up in another tab. Link Emperor will not link with your Google Analytics account unless it's opened in another tab. So I have my Google Analytics opened up in another tab up here, as you can see. And we're going to click this Take Me to Google to authorize this account. And you'll see you have a couple of buttons here, and we're going to grant access. Now when I head back over here, you'll see Google Analytics is linked up. So now let's go ahead and add a site and add Google Analytics. So let's go to Campaigns, Sales Page Maker here, Sites, and add a site. We're going to name this site Sales Page Maker, and we're going to enter the domain of this site. Now you'll see a drop-down menu that says select the analytics ID of this site if applicable. So you're going to want to have analytics installed on your site previously before setting up your site within Link Emperor. You'll see I have Sales Page Maker right here. And you'll see a checkbox here. It says, should we add new targets and keywords to your campaign based on the visit history we find in your analytics? We do a big initial check, and then we check every day going forward. This is a great way to add your targets and keywords without entering them manually. So this is what I was talking about earlier. So if you have 3 or more visits for a keyword term for one of your active targets, we will go ahead and pull that keyword phrase if you don't have it already and add it to your target and start building links to it. So after we're done doing this, let's go ahead and click Add Site. So now you see we have the site added here. So let's go ahead and go to Targets, into the target that we have here, and you'll see Visits Last Month. This is a new column that you'll have up here. This is the column that shows a trailing 30 days of data that will show you the amount of visits you received within the last month for any keyword terms that you have here. So that about covers it. Thanks for following along. I'll see you in the next video.